guys, it's Garrett with RPM Diecast. Today we have something pretty cool, pretty neat, pretty spectacular. It is a RB26 engine. What? An engine? Yes. It is RB26, bored and stroked out to an RB28, which is the Z-Tune motor. Look at the details on this thing. Oh, so sweet. It's got a film if you're wondering why there's like a glare. But anyway, let's get this thing cracked open. Oh, my Lanta. Pretty darn sweet, if I don't say so myself. Now I don't know how we're gonna put this on the spinner. I think I'm gonna have to keep it on the base because it's not gonna stay up by itself. But we'll go pop this little thing off. We'll put it on the spinner. We'll come back and chit chat a little bit more about it after. That was the Motorhelix RB26 Nissan engine. It also is a Nismo. I don't know if you can see it. I tried to take some close-ups, but it says Nismo right there. These are numbered to 500, but I don't know what number this one is. I just know they're numbered to 500. But we are doing a motor swap on an Auto Art, a 1/18 scale R34 Skyline for this. We're going to pull it out, the old motor, little engine swap, and put this one in so you can see more of the details. And you're probably wondering, how are you going to do that? I don't know, that's just what Cam said. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos. Remember to keep on collecting.